Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese at home. First, gather your essential tools, including a large pot, an accurate thermometer, and cheesecloth. Next, choose your milk. Whole milk often yields the best texture and flavor. Finally, familiarize yourself with the 3 fundamental stages: acidifying the milk, forming the curds, and then draining the whey. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Once your milk is ready, you'll need to acidify it. This can be done using a starter culture or a simple acid like vinegar or lemon juice. After acidification, introduce rennet, which will cause the milk to coagulate and form a solid curd within approximately 45 minutes. Then, carefully cut these curds into 1/2 inch to 1 inch cubes. This step is crucial for proper whey release and consistent cheese texture. After cutting, gently heat and stir the curds. This helps them firm up and release more whey. Once firm, drain the curds thoroughly using your cheesecloth. Next, press the curds to remove any remaining moisture and shape your cheese. You can use a dedicated cheese press or simple weights. Finally, salt your cheese for both flavor enhancement and preservation, either through brining or a dry rub method. The final stage is aging, which develops the cheese's unique flavor and texture. Store your cheese in a cool, humid environment, ideally a cheese cave or a dedicated section of your refrigerator, for the recommended period. Proper storage of your finished cheese is vital to prevent spoilage and maintain its quality for enjoyment. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money and other helpful deals. Happy cheese making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.